All right, today we're going to do a video of a Daewoo DHC 400 horizontal machining center, serial number HC400228. Machine was new in 2005. It has a FANUC 21IMB control. It's a 2-pallet machine, 40 ATC, Cat 40 spindle, 10,000 RPM on the main spindle. Spindle's running right now at 2,500. That's 5,000. That's 7,500. Spindle's nice and quiet. We'll do a tool change. Again, machine is a Cat 40 machine with a 40 ATC. Do another tool change. We can do a pallet change. I'll look through there. Pallet change, we'll do another one. And then we'll jog the axes around now. That's your x-axis. There's your Y, nice and quiet. That's your Z, you're in and out. And we'll index the rotary, it's a 1 degree. And also nice and quiet. That about does it. Thank you for watching.